Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw my favorite animal, the tiger. And this is going to be a close-up of the tiger's face, and it's going to be in a roaring position. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our tiger face roaring, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring this back here. Next, we're going to curve this line down, and then we're going to bring a line back here. Right here, we're going to bring this line down and up, and then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And we're going to add a little curve back here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring a line down here that I'm going to color in a little bit darker. Now I'm going to make a little bit of like a pointed line that just curves back. And then right here, I'm going to make the same thing. I'm going to kind of go up. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then down here for the head. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out and then in. We'll do another one. We'll just kind of bring this out and then down, kind of show some wrinkles on the tiger's face. And then we're going to bring a little line that's just going to curve down to here. Next, we're going to bring another one. We're going to bring this out, and then we're going to bring it back in. Bring this over and then up to here. And then we'll make a little bump here. We're going to bring this line down. And we're going to bring this line out. And we're going to bring it back to here. And then right over here, we're going to bring another curved line. It's going to come down and in. Next, we're going to bring this line down. And we're going to curve it back up here. I want to make kind of like a pointed little line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come back here. And then right here, I'm going to make kind of like a curved line that's just going to come down. Then I'm going to bring a line down. Now I want to come in here and add some teeth. So let's start by making a line that's going to come down to a point and then back. We'll add a couple small bumps in here, and then we'll make another one that's going to come down and then back here. Make a couple more small bumps here. We'll make a line that's going to come out to a point and back. And another one's going to come out to a point and back. Then we'll add just a couple small sharp teeth in here. Next, we're going to bring this line, it's going to curve down, and it's going to come to here for a tongue. And we'll add another little line across here. Now, starting here, let's make kind of like a pointed line that's going to come down. And then we're going to curve this up to here. You can see I'm making lots of little points. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it down. We're going to come out again, and then we're going to bring it back here for the ear of our tiger. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line around. I'm going to curve it around and bring it to here. And then the side of here, we're just going to make these big zigzag lines just to kind of show where there's a lot of fur. I'm going to bring a couple lines up here. Then starting here, we're going to bring some lines down here to show some detail. Starting back here, we're going to bring some lines that come down. And we're going to bring them out to here. And we're going to make some zigzag lines down here. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line down. And then once we have this basic shape of our tiger face, now I want to come in here and start adding the details. So let's start right around the eye. So one of the things we want to do is make some stripes. So I'm just going to make some kind of wavy little lines right up here. And then we're going to make some of these get a little bit bigger and skinnier and then bigger again. We'll make kind of like a curved stripe here. Then we'll make a line that's going to come up here and another one here. We're going to make a couple more little stripes around here. And then another one right here. Right here by the eye, we're going to come up and down. We're going to bring this back here. And then we're just going to kind of make this curve down. Then we're going to curve this down to here. And then we'll just kind of put this big old kind of like bumpy triangle shape in there. We're going to curve a line down and up, and then we're going to bring this back here. We'll do another little stripe here. And then we'll add a couple like broken stripes right around here. We'll make a couple more bigger ones here. Now, right along the cheeks, let's make a couple little stripes here. We're going to put about 3 of them. So they're just going to kind of follow the curve of the cheek. And then we'll put a couple more that come down here. I'm going to make another stripe right here. It's just going to come down and then back up. And then the stripes can kind of connect into each other too. So we can put one up here and make a nice big one that's going to come out here. I want to put another big stripe out here, making it just nice and wavy. And then we're going to put some little stripes down here. And then right out here, we're going to make this kind of zigzag pointed line to show that's going to be really dark over here. And then I like to come in here and add some of these quick little lines in here just to make it look like there's extra texture. Looks like it's real furry down here. And then I'm going to add some extra stripes coming down here as well. And then we want to come in here and add some details. So I'm going to add a little line or two on the top and bottom of the nose. I'm also going to add a little extra line right by the eye. Even a couple quick lines right by the teeth. Then we want to add some quick little lines on here for the whiskers. We're going to have some on top and some over here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of a tiger roaring. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.